This is the 2018 Mercedes-Benz. I want to give you guys a close-up to show you how trashed these wheels are. And this is a car that goes through automatic car wash with acid wheel cleaner, so the finish gets pretty etched, and it makes it really hard to make a touchless system for something like this. But this is going to be a good test of some pretty caked on German brake dust on a neglected car that has no wax, no sealants, no ceramic coatings on their wheels. And we're going to foam it up, we're going to power wash it, we're going to see how it does. So let's get ready. Alright guys, so we got the wheel cleaner loaded up in the IK9. And we're going to really get in there best we can. Get it higher. Now something like this, I'm actually going to let the foam start reactivating the brake dust, and then we're going to hit it again. That's usually what I'm going to recommend for heavily soiled wheels. You guys can see there, that's the wheel cleaner doing its job, eating away the brake dust in real time. So we're going to let the foam dwell a little bit longer. We're going to hit it again, and then we're going to power wash it right off. So I think we could get started with it. So what you want to do in a situation where you have that caked on brake dust from driving in the rain, you want to give it one application to reactivate that and soften it up. The second application, so the ingredients kind of pull it away from the wheel, as you're seeing here. And this is pretty incredible. You guys can see the runoff of all the brake dust that the foam is pulling right off this wheel. So I'm going to pull the camera back, and I'm going to get the Kranzler 1322 ready. We're going to power wash this off and see how it does without it. You know, this is going to be a touchless demo, but to be honest with you, using a short wheel woolly to go in there and just agitate it a little bit is probably the way to go on a wheel that's neglected like this right here. So let's get started. And I think it did a phenomenal job. Now there's some sort of, there's grease, very thick grease on the spokes of these wheels. You guys can see that there. It's almost like there's something mechanical or something that was driven over, but all the brake dust came off this wheel without agitation, minus the thick sludge of grease. You see that on my finger? No idea how that got there. That's the finished result on the driver's side front S-Class Mercedes-Benz wheel with the autofanatic professional wheel cleaning foam. I just gave it a quick once over to dry it up. All that little tar and grease came off, and we're good to go. You could see it did an outstanding job. Inside the spokes, this is with no brushes, no scrubbing, no agitation. That's it, guys.